making a little bit bigger of a batch today. This is one of my handmade molds out of that corrugated plastic, and this makes 30 bars of soap. I'm going to be using Midnight Waters from Bramble Berry. It does have some discoloration, does have some mild acceleration. This is how much I need typically for a 20 bar batch, but I'm going to be fragrancing certain layers of it and not other parts. I have to still divide this out because obviously this is my oils, if you can see that. I can't fit my lye in there, but I need to divide this out. I'm going to be doing 2 layers, and the bottom one is going to have the fragrance, and I'm going to put some of this Boom Box Blue from Wholesale Supplies Plus, and then Synergy from Nurture Soap in there, do some swirls, and then these are little fish that I'm going to put. So this will be split into 2, and then I'll have the bars this way. So again, 15 on each side. Anyway, so I will do the 2 colors of the water and then put the fish in there. And then the top layer, I'm going to again use these 2 colors plus some winter white from Nurture. And I have these squeeze bottles, and I'm going to be doing some drop swirls. I'm hoping to maybe get, instead of having like individual colors, I'm kind of hoping to do all 3 colors on each little drop swirl. We'll see what happens when I actually do it. So that's the bottom layer, and then there's not going to be any fragrance in those drop swirls, so I'm gonna have to let that set up. I'll come back. The top layer is going to be kind of a dark sky. I'm going to put activated charcoal in, and then I have this potent purple mica from Nurture Soap. It's really, I don't know if you can see it, it's a really pretty purple that's really good for like mica and oil swirls and melt and pour, but it does morph in cold process. But I'm kind of wanting a little bit of an amethyst gray color, which is kind of what it turns. And then I have some black mica. This was Rustic Essentials, but now owned by Wholesale Supplies Plus. Anyway, so the top half, I'm going to fragrance the bottom section of it, do the activated charcoal with some just swirls of that, the potent purple mica, kind of a gray, and then I have these purple stars and then yellow moons I'm going to put there. And then on top of that, I'm going to do the drop swirls again with the white, the actual black, not the activated charcoal, and then that purple. I don't know which order I'm going to do it yet. Anyway, so I'm going to go ahead, get this divided out, get my lye solution divided out, get my gloves on, and get ready. The sun will be moving through as I'm going along with this, so sorry about the light from that. Will be kind of bright, but it is what it is.